everyone, and I am back again with Southern Skeins, Vintage Lane Holiday Advent, and here we are on day 8. I'm excited to see the color, so let's check this one out. Will it be yellow? Oh, there we go. It looks like a green color, so that's absolutely very pretty. Gotta love that. Very, very pretty. And let us put that with all these other colors. Getting harder and harder to hold them all in one hand. Well, 2 hands, actually. But it's getting harder and harder not to keep trying to pick them all up at once. Getting harder and harder to do that. But there we go. That little pink one's right behind. But there they all are. And boy, those two do look an awful lot alike. So 7 and 8 look a whole lot alike. Wow. I may not be able to hold them all up and separated out like that again. But let's get them lined up a little bit better, color-wise. There we go. They are very pretty. Can't wait to put them together. And just so you can remember, I had to open day 25 in order to work on the pattern. I'm almost ready to start winding them up and working with it. But there is with the main, that's the main hank. But there we go with the main hank. And yeah, that's going to make something really pretty. Whether I do a scarf or a shawlette, I don't know. But that's going to be really pretty. I like the colors. Really, really like the colors in this. Very bright, vibrant. Something fun. They're right up my alley, you could say. So, if you knew Froggy, you know they're my kind of colors. So, stay tuned for tomorrow. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.